In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add MX records in a Hostinger domain. If you need to connect your domain to an email service, adding MX records is one of the most important steps. MX records, or Mail Exchange Records, tell the internet where emails for your domain should be delivered. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to find this setting in Hostinger and how to enter the record correctly so your email can start working properly. To begin, open your Hostinger account and sign into your dashboard. Once you're logged in, look for the Domains section. This is where Hostinger lists the domains connected to your account and gives you access to their settings. Go ahead and click Domains. You'll now see your domain list. From here, locate the specific domain where you want to add the MX record. Make sure you choose the correct one, especially if you manage more than one domain, because DNS changes only apply to the domain you select. Click on that domain to open its management area. Inside the domain settings, look for the DNS option and click it. This is the section where you manage DNS records, including A records, CNAME records, TXT records, and of course MX records. Once you're in the DNS area, this is where you can add the new MX record. Find the option to create or add a new record. In the Type menu, select MX. This tells Hostinger that you're creating a mail routing record rather than some other kind of DNS entry. After selecting MX, enter the necessary details provided by your email service. These details usually include the mail server value and sometimes a priority number. It's important to enter everything exactly as given, because even a small typo can prevent email from routing correctly. If your provider gave you more than one MX record, you'll need to add each one separately using the same process. Once everything is filled in, click Add Record to save it. After saving, keep in mind that DNS changes may not take effect instantly. In some cases, updates can begin working within minutes, but full propagation can take longer. So if your email doesn't work right away, give it a little time and then test again. And that's it. You've successfully gone into your Hostinger domain settings, opened the DNS section, selected MX as the record type, entered the required details, and added the record. If you follow these steps carefully, you should have your MX record set up correctly and your domain ready for email service.